adventure of the small kitchen.
Prepare your ingredients. In a bowl, put in 2 cups of self-raising flour. Then add 1.5 cup of your Greek yogurt. Afterwards, mix the 2 ingredients. You will just have to be patient with this, but in time, it will incorporate with each other and you will have to end up having a soft dough but not too sticky. We dust the surface. Dust it. Then we put our dough. So we will have to divide this into 8 balls. So when you roll it into a stick, you would just have to tuck this in. I don't have a flat surface, so please don't judge me on how to tuck in a bagel, because my surface is not smooth. So you just have to tuck everything in. Make sure that your bagel is really big, because we are using a self-rising flour, so it will really expand. After we have molded the bagels, we will now slightly brush our bagel on top with an egg wash. Sprinkle the top with roasted sesame seeds, or you can sprinkle it with your choice of toppings. Then we will now cook our bagels for 25 minutes. 20 minutes to the mark. Let's check. Oh, wow. Taste test our bagel. Oh my. So good. Smells so nice. So dense. This is a healthy bagel that I tried. So if you want to try it, you can do the same. It's an easy recipe, less ingredients. For the bagel bun, it also has the same ingredients and the same process that we have made the bagels. You only need to shape it into a ball. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and have a good day. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the like button or share this video. Bye!